A variable of an array type can hold a null reference or a reference to an array. A variable of a class type object can hold a null reference or reference to any object, whether class instance or array. Chapter 5 describes conversions and numeric promotions. Conversions change the compile time type and sometimes the value of an expression. These conversions include the boxing and unboxing conversions between primitive types and reference types. Numeric promotions are used to convert the operand of a numeric operator to a common type where an operation can be performed. There are no loopholes in the language. Casts on reference types are checked at runtime to ensure type safety. After advertising some products for about 2 minutes, I'll continue on this topic. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American researcher, inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur. My life story is available in my autobiography. I pursue what I really want to do in my life, which is advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I sell a number of products online for commissions for financially self-supporting my cause of advancing science, technology, and capitalism. I personally use all the products that I sell via affiliate marketing or online recommendation. All the products I sell online are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for top mental performance. Being fat slows me down. Being lean speeds me up. Visit alanyoung.dev/fat loss for the natural diet, body fat loss product I use and recommend. I need to constantly program my mind for success. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind programming product I use and recommend. I need to handle my dating and lifestyle for success in my whole life, not just in business and career. Visit alanyoung.dev/dating for men's dating and lifestyle coaching product I use and recommend. I teach myself software development for developing and commercializing AI, robotics, biotech products. Visit alanyoung.dev/courses for my software development courses. I'm looking for accredited investors for funding my startup in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech. If you'd like to invest in my startup, visit robocentric.com/investors. Now, back to the main content. Chapter 6 describes declarations and names and how to determine what names mean, that is, which declaration or name denotes. The Java programming language does not require classes and interfaces or their members to be declared before they are used. Declaration order is significant only for local variables, local classes, local interfaces, and the order of field initializers in a class or interface. Recommended naming conventions that make for more readable programs are described in this chapter. Chapter 7 describes the structure of a program, which is organized into packages. The members of a package are classes, interfaces, and packages, and consequently their members have names in a hierarchical namespace. The Internet Domain Name System can usually be used to form unique package names. Compilation units contain declarations of the classes and interfaces that are members of a given package and may import classes and interfaces from other packages to give them short names. Packages may be grouped into modules that serve as building blocks in the construction of very large programs. The declaration of a module specifies which other modules and thus packages and thus classes and interfaces are required in order to compile and run code in its own packages. The Java programming language supports limitations on external access to the members of packages, classes, and interfaces. The members of a package may be accessible solely by other members in the same package, or by members in other packages of the same module, or by members of packages in different modules. Similar constraints apply to the members of classes and interfaces. Chapter 8 describes classes. The members of classes are classes, interfaces, fields, and methods. Class variables exist once per class. Class methods operate without reference to a specific object. Some more advertisement. I have certain problems to solve in my life for pursuing my cause of advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I promote the products that I use for solving my problems, for pursuing my cause, and achieving my goals. So the products I use and recommend are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for constant top mental performance. I use products for losing my body fat. I need to keep my mind success oriented. I use products for conditioning my mind for success. I need to have proper men's dating and lifestyle coaching to keep my life whole without any deficiencies. I use dating and lifestyle coaching products. I need to constantly teach and train myself in software development for starting and building my high-tech business. I use software development learning course products of my own. Fat loss product recommendation by Alan Young. I absolutely hate eating dietary supplements for losing my body fat. I think weight loss supplements are money-grabbing nonsense. I want to eat healthy, delicious, nutritious, and regular meals for losing my body fat. To the best of my knowledge, only just one person has products for natural body fat loss, and that person is Tom Venuto. Only one person offers a natural body fat loss product that actually work. Thankfully, at least one person offers natural, healthy, and inexpensive ways to lose one's body fat and don't shove expensive nonsense weight loss dietary supplements down your throat. Ever since I first got Tom Venuto's fat loss diet product back in 2007, I have been a fan of his fat loss products because they are the only fat loss products with a permanent fat loss solution that isn't a nonsense weight loss supplement. If you want to lose your body fat in the healthiest, the most natural, and the best way possible, visit alanyoung.dev/fat and buy and use the fat loss product I recommend. I lost over 60 pounds of my body fat using this fat loss product I recommend. Become a lean, mean fighting machine that you are truly meant to be. Get lean, get ripped, and be a beast. And be a monster that you're truly meant to be. I lose my body fat and get lean eating hamburgers, sandwiches, pasta, fat loss Greek yogurt with a peanut butter, oatmeal, rice platter with a fried egg and seasoned stir-fried chicken, quinoa tuna salad, tomato soup with chicken meat and rice, and scrambled whole egg and egg whites. If you want to lose your body fat and get lean eating such natural, wholesome, healthy, and delicious regular food, buy the fat loss product that I highly recommend at alanyoung.dev/fat loss. Success Mind Programming product recommended by Alan Young. Being free of self-doubt, I think, is one of the greatest gifts you can give to yourself. I used to ask myself, am I going to make it? Now I know without an ounce of doubt that I will accomplish all my goals and achieve all my aims because I am experienced enough and I've learned enough. On your journey to gaining self-mastery, listening to the people who help your mind is a tremendous value. Sometimes I want and need to hear the voice of someone else telling me that I can and I will. I need to rigorously program my mind for achieving my dreams and goals. If you need to silence the vicious voice inside your head telling that you can't, buy and use this mind programming product that I highly recommend for removing and eradicating your self-limiting, confidence-killing inner voices. Kill the voice inside your head that tells you you can't. You need to hear that you can and you will for achieving your goals and dreams. And you need to hear how to succeed instead of hearing how not to succeed. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind Programming product that I recommend. Men's Dating, Mind Programming, and Lifestyle Coaching Product Recommendation by Alan Young. Are you a man who wants to become an exceptional success in his dating life? There is one man I especially recommend for improving men's dating life, men's mind programming, and men's lifestyle coaching. A lot of forces are hostile to men's mental well-being today. A lot of people feed detrimental information and mindset to men for their benefit. People constantly tell wrong things to men in dating and other areas of man's life. In this day and age, especially in the Western world, men need all the support and positivity and proper coaching that they can get for their mental health and well-being, simply because too many forces in the Western world today want to keep men down for their benefit. Men need what actually works for their benefit. Men need proper mental support and mind programming and lifestyle coaching. This man I recommend is a fantastic men's dating, mind, and lifestyle coach whose teachings actually work so well for men in helping and enabling men to live the lives that men want. I have felt constantly dissatisfied in my life before coming across this man's teachings. I have felt constantly satisfied in my life after coming across this man's teachings and applying his teachings in my own life. I recommend Brent Smith and his teachings to men. Other people teach men to be a slave to the system for their benefit. Brent Smith teaches men to be free from the system for men's benefit. If you want to get a top-notch men's dating, mind programming, and lifestyle coaching from Brent Smith, visit alanyoung.dev/dating for more info. Accredited Investors Recruitment by Alan Young. I'm currently working on completing, patenting, and launching my visual AI and robotics software product, which may take a few years or a couple of years at the minimum to complete. Apply for patent and launch. I don't have any accredited investor willing to invest in my startup yet. I'm currently working on self-funding my startup while completing my AI and robotics software product. I am seeking accredited investors in my startup with an SEC Regulation D Rule 506C offering, which has a share or stock resale restriction imposed by SEC. If you are interested in investing in my startup as an accredited investor, voice call me or message me on Instagram to discuss investing in Robocentric. Visit robocentric.com/investors for more info on investing in Robocentric. Visit robocentric.com/about to learn more about Robocentric. For more info on my plans for advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech, check out my books at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, or major online audio book retailers.